Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans. First, download the free app from your device's app store. Once installed, you'll begin a helpful tutorial that guides you through your first village construction and battle. This initial phase is crucial for understanding core gameplay. Your primary goal early on is to upgrade your town hall, which unlocks new buildings, troops, and defensive structures, expanding your strategic options significantly. Aim to reach Town Hall Level 3 within your first few hours of play. Managing your resources, gold and elixir, is vital for progress. Ensure your gold mines and elixir collectors are always active and upgraded to generate a steady income. A well-designed base layout is equally important. It protects your hard-earned resources and trophies from enemy raids. Experiment with different defensive arrangements. Remember to upgrade your storage buildings early to hold larger amounts of resources, allowing for more significant upgrades like a new archer tower or cannon. Attacking other players is how you gain more resources and trophies. Train a diverse army in your barracks, combining different troop types like barbarians, archers, and giants for effective raids. Before attacking, always scout the enemy base for about 30 seconds to identify vulnerable areas, such as exposed resource collectors or weak air defenses. Deploy spells like healing spells or lightning spells at critical moments to turn the tide of battle in your favor, aiming for at least a 1-star victory. Joining an active clan is a cornerstone of the Clash of Clans experience. Clans allow you to request and donate troops, providing powerful reinforcements for both offense and defense. Participate in clan wars, where you battle other clans for glory and loot, and clan games, which offer fantastic rewards for completing challenges. Engaging with your clanmates through chat can also provide invaluable tips and strategies, helping you progress much faster and enjoy the game more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.